Scott Groves with your mortgage mystery. Simple question. What is a mortgage? Well, a mortgage is a debt instrument that you take out as a buyer or a homeowner from a bank that allows you to finance a property. So let's say, for example, you want to buy a house that's worth $500,000. You don't have $500,000. Well, the instrument that has been developed to help you buy that house is a mortgage. Now, whether or not you go with an FHA type mortgage, which we'll define in a future video, that only requires you to put 3.5% down of that $500,000, or whether you're going to do a more traditional mortgage where you put 10, 20, or 30% down, the mortgage, the remaining leftover balance, is the amount of money that you agree to pay the bank. And obviously, the bank isn't doing this out of the kindness of their heart. So they're charging you an interest rate on that mortgage. And so very simply, a mortgage is a document or an instrument or a deed or a note that you sign that says, I, the borrower, agree to repay the lender, aka the bank, for the purchase of this home because I didn't have the full $500,000 down. If you have any questions about obtaining a mortgage, you have any follow-up questions about what a mortgage is, just go ahead and shoot us an email, leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel because we're going to do a ton of question and answer on various mortgage mysteries.